Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends to like a Facebook page new and easier way. So for us to be able to get started, make sure to log in first onto your account. So make sure that that account that you've logged in is the one with the Facebook page. So we'll have to switch first to our Facebook page. To do so, click onto the top right corner of the screen onto your profile picture to switch to the account. If you're not seeing your page there, click on see all profiles for that, and right after, click onto your Facebook page. Then it will go ahead and switch. Right after, just head onto the home page or onto the profile of your Facebook page. Simply click here onto the left side. It has your profile picture and your name to get redirected there. So once you're already here onto the profile, you should be able to notice this three dots. If you click onto this, there should be an option to invite people to connect or like that specific page. So we're gonna click onto that one and it will ask you to switch back to your main account. So you'll just have to click on switch and then right after it will go ahead and redirect you to invite your friends. So if you have a lot of friends onto your Facebook page, don't worry if you want to invite them all, you have the select all button. Simply click onto that so that you don't go to the hassle of clicking one by one. So once you have gone ahead and click on to select all, you'll just have to click on send invites. Then there should be options for you to see also the friends that you have invited already and the selected friends. So you could search for specific friends in here as well that you want to invite. If you want to invite your friends from a certain group, we have that one also in here. So click onto this arrow in here and just click on sample group. So right after you have sent invite, they should go ahead and receive already onto their notification that you have invited them to like your Facebook page. And that is how easy you can invite friends to like a Facebook page the new and easier way. If you think that this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.